Hi and welcome back to my channel. Bad day in the markets for traders, but if you're an investor, it was a good opportunity to buy into some stocks that you might have on your watch list. So let's see what happened to the markets today and what I did. I'll just share that with you as well. So if we see the market overall, Nifty और Sensex में more than 1% डाउन गया, सेल ऑफ आया काफ़ी. निफ्टी 500 ऑलमोस्ट 2%. बैंकिंग में भी विच वॉज होल्डिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग आज आया सेलिंग. आईटी वॉज कंपैरेटिवली बेटर, बट मिड कैप तो हालत ख़राब कर दी, 2.5%, राइट. So if we see the stocks also, throughout selling काफ़ी है. The only positive sign that I could see today is the near 52-week high list में we have a stock called Karur Vysya Bank, which is still holding strong and I like it. The results were good and it just closed above the 50 days. So if you see the September results, 20% plus sales or profit था. It is available at a very cheap P ratio of 10, and I believe Rakesh Junjunwala or Rekha Junjunwala now holds it, and HDFC Mutual Fund hold it, and it closed just above the 50 days. The 50 days 215.16 and it closed at 216.17, right? So still holding strong in such a market within 10% of the highs. So this is a stock that I have put in my watch list, and I'll probably add it once the market improves a little bit or the stock shows strength. Other than that, the market was very weak. If you see the indices also and the dashboard में अगर आप volumes भी देखोगे तो there has been selling throughout the week, but I think today's selling must be much more because the indices and everything fell a lot, right? So we'll get more numbers tomorrow. But अगर आप indices भी देखो तो every indice was almost in the red. So throughout the board, across the board selling है. Just a few stocks which are holding on, like Karur Vyasa, and I have Tejas Networks which declared results in my portfolio, which didn't hit my stop loss today, so that's still above the 50 days. So I'm holding on to this, but I sold off so this is my top holding now, and I sold off Nippon Life, which broke the 50-day and is down 10% from the recent highs. So yeah, these are changes that I made, and I'll wait for the stocks to reset or the results to come and see how it behaves afterwards to see what I need to add to my portfolio. But yeah, it's getting cleaned out like it did once before as well in October, and probable reason being given is that people are shifting, or the FIs are shifting to China, and the other reason is that the RBI did not cut rates, so China में उनको better opportunity लग रही है, so they are selling off Indian stocks and moving to China. So let's see how it pans out. October 31st को जापान के सेंट्रल बैंक का भी इंटरेस्ट रेट का मीटिंग है. So if they increase their rates as well, that will cause another round of outflows, or maybe this is in anticipation of that. So let's see how it pans out. For today, it's just Karur Vyasa and Tejas Networks, which I think are good enough, and they are still in my portfolio. Karur is in my watch list, and Tejas Networks is still a part of the portfolio. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.